Hello, welcome to my channel Woodwork Techniques. Today we learn use of furniture in daily life. Main purpose of furniture is to make life comfort that results we feel happy. And second use of furniture is for storage, so we can organize things and can free up space. Let's start with living. If we have room and it has no furniture, then it looks odd, and in another side, if we have room and it has furniture, then this furniture gives a tremendous look to our room and make a difference. Good furniture helps us a lot in good sleep. A traditional bed can give you good sleep, but the modern bed can give you good sleep and storage facility, so we can free up space from outside. Now, talk about education. If we sit on floor and read, then we cannot study long. And if we use study table and chair for study, it can increase out reading time and make us more comfortable. A furniture helps us to manage our study material, like our books, novels, etc. We can easily store lots of books in bookshelves, and it gives a beautiful look to our study room. Now talk about work, that is most important for living. If we use laptops and sit on floor, then we cannot work long, and it reduce our capacity as well as performance. If we add only furniture, then you can see difference in your performance as well as interior design of our office. So furniture can be a little thing, but it can change so many things in our life and make us happy. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and stay safe and stay at home.